My name is Sunit Agrawal. I've been a realtor now for a whopping 10 years. My second year as a realtor, I decided to start a team. And by the 6th year with my real estate license, my team was a #1 mega team in the state of California for most homes sold. LPT for me checked off so many boxes that many of the other companies did not. The flexibility for agents to have 100% side and have very low fees is unheard of in the industry. With the different models that are available, whether it being the business builder or the broker partner or the luxury brand, it's freedom, right? It's flexibility. That's what everybody wants in life. No one wants to be just stuck in one place, and if you make any move, it's gonna disrupt everything. So the flexibility and the freedom for our agents is just incredible. The industry is changing at warp speed, just like everything is these days. And what worked before to get you there is not gonna work what's gonna get you to the next place. I think we've all noticed that in our personal lives. I was a firm believer that my offer as a brokerage owner was the best in town until I heard about LPT, and I knew it's not. As soon as I saw that model, I didn't want to compete because I saw massive value. And if you can't beat them, you should join them. Being a pioneer for LPT in California is an opportunity that I think will only come once in a lifetime. I've had a lot of great fortune in my life. I don't know what I did to deserve most of it. This is one of the most amazing opportunities that I've ever seen, and I would be a fool not to ride along with strong leadership and an innovative company doing things with real estate first in mind.